sold exclusively in Canada. The Novos bed you can buy in the States, but the others are exclusive Canadian brands. So the Recore bed, in my mind, is one of their most performance-leaning mattresses, and by that I mean they incorporate some of the latest technology into the mattress to give you an optimal night's sleep, less interrupted sleep cycles, so you get a deeper rest without as much tossing and turning and waking up throughout the night. So I'll break down the components of the mattress, starting with the top layer. The fabric here is silver-infused fabric. So they use strands of silver in here, which has an antimicrobial property. So what it does is it's going to keep the mattress fresh longer. It's going to keep the mattress cleaner. So you're just going to have a more hygienic sleep surface. Now along the edge here, there is a zipper. So if this does happen to get dirty, maybe you're not using a mattress protector, you could wash it, although I would advise still using a mattress protector because obviously this isn't waterproof. Anything you spill down here can seep into the comfort layers of the mattress. So now going into the other layer, now this mattress measures about 10.5 inches thick. The top layer, the top comfort layer, is a graphite-infused latex foam. So what I noticed is when I slept on this mattress, you'll notice that it's going to sink a fair amount with that top layer. There's quite a bit of give on this top layer, but you'll be caught by the transition layer and the base layer pretty quickly. So really, you're only going to sink so far, and you're going to stop. You're going to sink pretty quickly. It's not a denser foam that'll take a long time to sink, a long time to recover. This one springs back right away. So it's very easy to move around on the mattress, but you still get the benefit of the contouring. Now below that, you have a transition layer of a gel foam. So the graphite is used as a cooling property, and the gel foam also has cooling properties. So you have two materials working to keep you cool. So this is a very what I'd say cool breathing, somewhat breathable mattress. And then of course you have your standard base layer below that, which provides the support of the entire mattress. But it's really the two layers that are doing the most of the work, and of course this next gen silver infused cover. Now basically there's no motion transfer. It is all foam, so don't have to worry about that. What I do like about it is it has a good amount of responsiveness, a little bit of springiness to it, and that is due to the top layer. This mattress comes in a box, just like all the other mattresses in the Novos bed family, and like most of the mattresses I've reviewed on Sleep Sherpa. Now, retail price on this is about $849 Canadian, but there are discounts through sleepsherpa.com to bring that down considerably lower. This also comes with a 120-night trial. That means it's free shipping to you and free returns. So you can try this in the comfort of your home for 120 nights. If for any reason you decide, you know what, I don't like this mattress, the Recore Novos bed will take care of you, and they will facilitate a free return, no haggling on their end. So all in all, I really like it. In terms of feel, it was a little bit softer than I expected. Initially, you'll kind of feel like, wow, this is kind of soft. I sink in a lot. But you're still getting quite a bit of support. So this truly is a versatile enough mattress for all types of sleepers. I would say stomach and back sleepers that want a little bit softer mattress, this would be a good choice. Side sleepers, it'll accommodate them no problem. I often find it's difficult to recommend stomach sleeper mattresses that have a soft feel yet are still supportive. And this is one of the few where I could make that recommendation. So versatile enough for any sleep position. This company's been around quite a while. They always come out with innovative products, and I'm just really happy with what they've done with the Recore bed. Now to back all this up, it does come with a 15-year warranty. So you know that this company really does stand by their product. And like I said, it's made by Canadians in Canada and is exclusively for Canadians. So this is truly a Canadian brand. So more information on Sleep Sherpa. I'm going to show you the inside of this mattress, how each layer works, and what you can expect when you sleep.